There are so many apps on the Google Suite that you can use to your advantage. And in this series, I'm going to be showing you the Google Suite and different tools that you can use. I have my Google. You can see, you just tap your on your browser, you open your browser, you go to google.com, and as you can see here, I've typed google.com and it brought me to the Google homepage. And here I have Google. This one is set to my language, which is Yoruba. So I said Shisha Warini Google Orire Tommy Borders. Let me switch to English so you can see all these tidbits and the topics. So you can see now I switched to English. Say Google search. This is a function Google search. I'm feeling lucky. So these are just Google add-ons, and of course this one is for Nigeria because I'm using a Nigerian server, and of course I'm in Nigeria. But if I were connected to a server that's based in another place, maybe a work or a partner server, it might be in another state, so in another country. So there is World Heritage Day. Explore the most iconic. So Google has it has an habit of showing you some of the things that are happening for the day. If it's were to be your birthday, Google will actually celebrate you there on your own Google. So when you're here. So now to see all the Google suits, these all products or apps that Google has. Many people do not know that Google has amazing apps that are free for you to use. So I want to show you today how to use free Google tools for your work, for your business, for your study, for your academics. So you can see now. So when I go here, I click. So what you do is after getting to Google page, you come to this icon here. Can you see this serrated icon like dots? So you click on it beside your bio or your account, so it shows account. So now welcome to Google Suites. You can see all the suites. Google has amazing suites that one Gmail, you only need one Gmail to access all these things. So you have Google search, Google Maps. Many of them are accessible here on your PC and on mobile. So you can also have them on your mobile in your Google Play if you use an Android device, and even if you use a Mac, an iPhone or iOS. So now you see YouTube, you have Play, you have Gmail, Google Drive, Google Calendar, Google Translate, Google Photos, Google Business, Google Gemini, Google News, Google Meets, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and this is also Google One. You have Google Docs, Google Books, Google Blogger. This is Blogger. I use Blogger a lot. I've been on Google Blogger since 2009, and yet, an amazing thing is many of these apps or suites can make you money. Can make you money. You have contacts. You have you have shopping. You have You have shopping. You have finance. You have finance. You have Keep. You have My Ads. You have Classroom. You have Chat. You have Google Earth. You have Saved. Yeah, that was my boy who walked into my video. Anyway, so art and culture, Google Arts, Merchant Center, travel, forms. These on it. Yeah, I'll come back. So you have forms, you have Chrome, you have password, you have Google Analytics. So yeah, so this is just a quick one. In the subsequent videos, I'll be showing you how to use each of these to your advantage for your business. I'll be showing for free. People charge a whole lot of money to show people how to use these tools, but I will charge you on. So all I need from you is that share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. My name is Emmanuel Aine, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.